Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI.com here. Welcome for another daily pre-market preparations. We are May 30th. How are you? Say hi, don't be shy. Ben, Jack, Ronen, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate you taking the time and joining me each and every day this live pre-market preparations. We are preparing together for another trading day. For now, we go on the US 500 15 minutes. This is the SPX futures, and as we can see, we are getting some kind of a pop-up. Let's see what the job claims happened. What happened with the job claims? Let's see which report came out, and then we will understand this pop-up. Nothing much. No news for now. I don't see any news. If you see the news, please share. Who else is with me? Ata Maxim. Good afternoon to you too, Mr. Ata Maxim. Didi, hi. Benjo, Shai, Rafi. Thank you very much for joining. Watching from India. How is India? Where in India? Benny Baron. Hi. How are you? We're in India. Where are you watching me? Where from are you watching me in the world? How do you see me? How do you hear me? Very nice to see everybody here. Say hi. Don't be shy. Hagit, Aliza. Who else? The more the merrier. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be shy. Good morning, Iktal. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's start. As you can see, we have the SPX futures on the 15 minutes time frame popping up. Now let's see continuation towards the 52.63. This is how it looks on the 2 hours. We have two broadening formations, and of course we have the Fibonacci traders, the Fibonacci lines, as you can see, into the line. You see it live. Everything that you see is live. Everything that you get from me is live. No BS. This is why I say trend lines and Fibonacci. This is all we need to know. This is all we need to understand. And then we can identify with high probability where price might be heading next. Yair, hi. SK 420. How are you this morning? Thank you very much for joining. Asaf, how are you? Thank you very much for watching and joining and watching. So, anything new? No report. What was this pop-up all about? Let's check Twitter. US, okay. We got ourselves initial job claims. Actual 219K versus 215K. Okay. More claims than expected. More claims than expected, and the market loves it. More people wants jobs. The market finds it very, very healthy. Why? Because the more job claims, the number of the job claims, the more it's higher, it means the risk of higher interest rates getting lower. The logic of the market, just follow price. That's it. Follow price, Fibonacci, trend lines, candlestick analysis. All the rest will make you noise in the head. MSRF, Mr. RF, hi, Avi, Zorik. Where is Shai? Maybe he is shy. Where is Avishai? Not be shy. So, what should we talk about this morning? Bitcoin? Nothing much, as you can see. Tight price section. This price section will get broken one way or another. This is how it looks. This is the Ethereum. Also nothing much, moving sideways in the past 10 days or so. Hi Ron, thank you very much for joining. Anyone speaking English in the audience? Maybe you can do this live also in Hebrew, same as we did yesterday. By the way, why not much of viewers? This is the Fibonacci. I will show you 1 second. Why I cannot see it? Do you know the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel? Of course you know. 1 second. Let's do like this. And now I can take it over here. Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. 4,220 subscribers, more than 1,000 videos. We have, of course, the playlist, the Fibonacci Academy playlist. 40 something videos on how to become a better trader. It's free. It is free. So before you take any other paid service or some kind of course, so check it out. It's free. And for some reason, yesterday's stock market recap, only 191 views. What's up with that? What is up with that? Every day I make the daily market recap, and for some reason only 191 views. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. Most of your questions have answers already in the stock market recap. Hi Avi, thank you very much for joining. Zorik, Asaf, Ron, and Eli. So, what's interesting? Nothing much this morning, huh? Tesla is going up 1.7, PLTR going 2.6. Let's talk PLTR. Another great big contract. But what do we see on PLTR? Sideways move, that's it. Look at this tight price action since April, almost 1.5 months, except this pop just below the 2220 and above the 2030. Very tight price action, contract, no contract. Just ignore the noise. Everything is just pure noise. All these fundamentals, contracts, it's pure noise, ladies and gentlemen. All you need to do is follow price. And what do we see? We see this red trend line as a very tough resistance. We have this 2030, 2050 area, very important area of support. Bearish on all time frames. You want to go long, you need at least few days above the red trend line. I prefer a weekly close above the 2030, and then we can consider starting PLTR, going long on PLTR only based on technical analysis, based on price action. I don't base my decisions on fundamentals, on news, on contracts, on nothing. FOMO, nothing. Price action. That's it. What do you mean with pre-recaps? Ah, you like the... What is the GRE recap? I don't understand, Chai. What's going on with eBay? But we have Ron asked for HOV. Let's check HOV. Who else is green? PayPal also is green. 2.6%, 2.7%. HOV for short. You need to close below the 139.30, Ron. And then you are good to go short, in my opinion. This area, very tough resistance. This area, very important area of support, breaking below, and you will see 126 to the downside. Once again, only my opinion. FLNC. Zorik, we talked about it yesterday in the Discord, no? What do we say? What did we say? 23 support, long continuation above the 25.50 towards 28 and 38 to the upside. Overall, in my opinion, as long as FLNC is above the 21.40, bullish on all time frames, you are good to go long. This is the great FTI. Even if you don't understand what are all these lines, you have this small table, the FTI time frame, multi-time frame table. What do you see? Bullish on the 65, bullish on the 4 hours, bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly. 3 out of 5. So again, 3 out of 4 time frames for swing traders, bullish. So what do you need? And you have this green label. If you go long, this is your stop loss. Again, not financial advice. Not a financial advice. Be careful with this red line. Very tough resistance. Very tough resistance. Be careful. If you're not long yet, wait for a break above the 25.40. We like green recaps. Okay, what's going on with eBay? What's going on with eBay? She had a nice Friday, but then came Tuesday and Wednesday, broke back, bearish, nothing much. We need to wait. Now I would wait for Monday. I want to see weekly close above the 42.60. This area once again acts as a very tough resistance. Very tough resistance. What else do we have? Then we have a very tough resistance over here at the 14.20. 3 out of 4 time frames bearish. Next support 13.21. Below it, all the next supports to the downside. If you want to go long, there is no long for now on Dana Incorporated. As long as I see United Airlines, I see the trading view is working much better. It's some lagging in the past few days. I'm glad I'm not the only one saw it and felt it. UAL, once again, above the 50. Very important area of support. I would wait. If you're not long yet, I would wait for another daily close above the 50.20. Maybe even above the 52.70. This is my point of view on UAL. UAL. SMH, of course I can look SMH Oval. Like, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the notification bell. I want to see those subscribers go up, 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 and the likes go up, up, up. Let's grow this channel together. This channel is for everyone. It's for you, it's for me, it's everyone's channel. SMH. What do we see? Uptrend until proven otherwise, right? This area, the 239.60, is the support. Long continuation above the 250, and you will see 265 and 283 to the upside overall. 3 out of 4 time frames, the 4 hours, the daily, the weekly, the most important 3 time frames are bullish. What else do we have? Mara, nothing much. Holding above the upper border of the yellow zone, above the 1960. Let's clean the chart a little bit. Bearish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, which means we need to wait. If you are already long on Mara, if you're already bullish on Mara, you need to put your stop loss, once again, not a financial advice, but just below the 1950. If you're not long yet on Mara, I would wait for at least another day or two, maybe weekly close above the 21. Para. First we had Mara, now we have Para. Para, downtrend until proven otherwise. Downtrend continuation. Next support is the 11.35, and then this gap will get filled. Your resistance is this yellow line, the 11.95. Palantir we talked about. Alon, you missed the beginning of the live. And we talked about Palantir. Still below this red line, very tough resistance for the lower highs. Since March, already almost 3 months of a downtrend. Let's do like this. Clean the chart. If you don't know, it's Palantir. And you have this. without any line, and you don't know it's Palantir, because we are in love with stocks, would you put your money on this one or on this one? Which one you prefer? This kind of price action, down, curling up, or this kind of price action, down, down, down. This is how it looks with the candles. And now you can add trend line to help you understand the trend. And the trend is your friend. And the trend for now is downtrend. Look at this price action, very, very tight price action. I would wait to see how PLTR will close the week, and then we'll make decisions. Breaking below the red line, and you will see bears partying all the way to this gap over here, closing above it, a weekly close above this red line, and you will see bulls going into party all the way to this gap. Once you have another gap over here. Merely my opinion, yes, not financial advice. You do you, you do your own due diligence. WDC, Western Digital Corporation. What do we have here? Very nice price action. You see the difference? WDC, higher lows, higher highs, very nice price action. And look at PLTR. What do you prefer? Where would you put your money in? I know where I would put my money in. Long continuation above yesterday's highs, and you will see 81 and 85, bullish on all time frames. And this yellow zone, the 73 now, is the support. And of course you have a trend that helps you understand the WDC is inside an uptrend channel. Pan W, Paulo Alto. You know this lower border of this red line, this red channel? We talked about it. We have been looking for a bounce, a touch and a bounce. Now let's see the bounce. We got a touch. Now we see the bounce. If you're not wrong yet, I would wait for a weekly close above the 310. And of course you can put the FTI. The FTI even is more cautious than me. Above the 313, 3 out of 4 time frames, bearish. If 3 out of 4 time frames are bearish, what does it mean? Is it time to go long on Pan W? The answer is on your chart. Just put FTI on your chart. That's it. How to put it? Once you join the Fibonacci Traders Discord with the gold membership, you have the gold FTI. This is the gold FTI. You get access to trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew for day traders, swing traders, futures, crypto, options, everything that you need, and more and more and more under one roof. English, Hebrew, choose your path, choose your language. Join today the Fibonacci Traders Discord and start making money with an elite team of traders. We trade, we don't talk. We trade, we make money day in, day out. So GT, this is my point of view on Pan W. AI going up pre-market. How much? 11%. All the way. Look at this. Fibonacci resistance. Now the 2540 is your support. Above 26, above 27, you will see 28 and 31 to the upside. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Shoval. Okta for Zorik. Okta also pre-market had earnings going up 5.16%, and look at this, we're into Fibonacci level. Ladies and gentlemen, you see everything live, Everything is and surrounds Fibonacci. This is why I'm called Fibonacci Traders, because it's all about Fibonacci. Once you understand the true relationship between price action, candlestick analysis, and Fibonacci, I promise you, you will start see things you never saw before, and you will never need to ask me, what about this and that? Octa, now this is the support, the 99 is the support, next resistance, 104. Uber, what's up with Uber? What's up with my voice? I can get it back. I cannot get my voice back. Uber, downtrend until proven otherwise. Nothing much on Uber. Pre-market going up a little bit. Slightly green, nothing much. This is the resistance, the 65, 66 area. Nothing much on Uber. Downtrend until proven otherwise. DNA, let's clean the chart. What is this noise? DNA, bearish, super bearish. Below 0.5, why? Who asked it? SK420, why do you trade this kind of, sorry for the language, garbage? So many stocks out there, so many opportunities out there. Why risk your money, even in day trading? Why risk your money on this kind of garbage? Uber, we just talked about Uber. Fadi, thank you very much. Nothing much on Uber. DNA also, nothing much. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Breaking below and you will see 0.39. SN, this looks good. Shark Ninja. Shark Ninja look good. What's the volume on this one? Not bad, nice volume. You see SK, when you want, you can do it with better names. Amazing. What can we say about it? Uptrend channel. Your support is a 72. Above 79, you will see 83 and 89 to the upside, and I will add it to my list. Annette. What we'll do with my, bear with me 1 second. Thank you. My throat is killing me. Annette had a very nice uptrend. Now so I'm going to have a pullback. Retesting the 295 area support. Mixed signals. I don't see long for now. Maybe weekly close above the 310 and we can go long on Annette. SLV, silver. Basically moving sideways. You see stuck between the 2750 and the 2950. Long continuation above 2950 towards 31 and 33. You have gap over here, too many gaps, but silver likes gaps. Careful of this double top scenario. Below the 2830, you will see 2740. Below 2740, you will see 2520 to the downside. Oracle. What do we see on Oracle? Holding strong above the upper border of the yellow zone, the 120 pre-market, breaking below it. Now the 119.74 and the 118 is the next supports. The astronauts, ASTS, Space Mobile, yesterday with 70% to the upside. Careful with these kind of names. Long continuation above yesterday's highs, and you will see 1135 and 1390 to the upside. RIG, nothing much. Yesterday's inside candle, barely holding above the 595, the upper border of the yellow zone. Breaking below, your support is the 590, 580 and 562. Long only above 614. MU, nice uptrend. Now the 127 area is the support. Long continuation above 133, and you will see 141 to the upside. AMD, Noam, we talked about AMD in the beginning of this live, and in this morning's stock market recap. So go back, please go back to the beginning of this live. Have we talked about AMD? Not sure. Similar Scientific. What's going on with this one? Look at this pop. Be careful. Careful with this kind of pops. I don't like to trade. Maybe for day trading, but not for me. These kind of things I don't hold for swings. For me, it's only for day trading. But the 29.30 is the support. Below it, back to the 24. AMD. AMD holding above the yellow zone. Very important area of support, the 162. Long continuation above the 167. And then back, retesting the red line as next resistance. KRE. KRE continues to break to the downside. We had this nice uptrend channel. Broken to the downside. Now the lower board of the yellow zone is the resistance. Look where pre-market is. Fibonacci. So this is the support. 47 support. 48 is the resistance. Bearish on all time frames. ASND. Ascendis Pharmas. Struggling with the lower board of the yellow zone, struggling with the 131, 132 area, and on the day closing above it will give bulls what they want, going into 135 and 140 to the upside. And last but not least, Teva. Watch from this double top. Watch out, this double top. 16.15 needs to hold. Below it, 15.37. Below it, this gap will get filled. Very tough resistance, the 17.20. Watch out from this one. Pandaw Fadi, we talked about. Fadi, you need to go back and watch the live again. All the names you're asking, we already talked about. Marna, Moderna. Look at this. You know these yellow trend lines? If you go back in the past 2, 3, 4 weeks, we talked about this yellow trend line, and we talked that this yellow trend line will become a very tough resistance, same as it did here. And look at this. We didn't check Moderna since last week. Look what happened. Now you can take Fibonacci like this. All good, Fadi, all good. This is why we need to come live, join live. Not only you, everybody. Now at the 50% retracement, Doji, let's see a bounce. Closing above the 149, 150, and you can start once again long on Moderna. Once again, this is only my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is anything that you see here is not a financial advice, not whatsoever. Once again, check the links in the description below. Join the Fibonacci Traders one-on-one live or the Fibonacci Traders online course. All the links in the description below. I promise you, you will be fully prepared for the second half of 2024. We go, if you choose the one-on-one or the pre-recorded program, I am committed 100% for your success. We go hand by hand until you will start making money by trading. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this video. I hope you find it helpful, educational. All I need to do is hit the like, subscribe, the notification bell. Until the next video, stay safe.